In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any Figma design into HTML, CSS, or even create a working React component in just few minutes. So basically, there are few steps so we need to follow. So stick with me till the end. So initially, I have created one folder called Figma to HTML and open it in the VS Code. Let me open it in the VS Code. Yes. So next, I will go to the settings in the VS Code. And then I will search for the MCP server. It might take some time. It's MCP server. Oh, my bad. I'm just writing MPC. It's MCP server. Yes. So it will open MCP server. So click on the edit in settings.json. It will open the settings.json file. So next step is to change the properties written under the MCP server time. This is the important part. We need to create or modify an object called this MCP server time and add some specific properties. Don't worry, I will drop this snippet in the comment section if you want. So then next step is we need to go to the figma.com so that we can generate the personal access token to connect our Figma to this MCP server. So for this, I will go to figma.com. Waiting to load it. Then I will go to the settings of Figma. I will go to the security tab. Since I already generated the token, you can also generate it. It expires in the 1 month. Just give the access to some properties like code connect and file content, library assets, and all. So in this way, you can generate the token. So this is the Figma design we need to copy. We need to make similar kind of designs using the MCP server. So our step is to copy that token that we have copied from the figma.json and paste it here in the MCP server time. Okay, so since I'm now it's time to open the Copilot server, Copilot extension that we have in the VS Code. Since I have the premium version, I'm selecting the Claude Sonnet 3.7 model with the agent mode enabled. So then we write the prompt telling it what we want. I have already prompt. So prompt is basically to convert this Figma into working HTML, CSS or JS file. We can also modify the prompt to make the JS component, React component. If you want this exact prompt, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to share it. And hit enter. So now it's running the MCP server. Okay, so before that, there is one more important thing that we need to start the MCP server, which is the just uh, comes up in the setting.json just above the line code. So we need to start that line to connect to the Figma with the MCP server. After hitting the enter, it will ask for the permission to connect to the Figma file. So it is working. Yeah, it is asking for the permission. So I will just continue with this permission. Wow, so it start fetching the images from the Figma file. it makes the another folder in the current directory under the folder name image.